The responsibility to provide a safe and secure working environment is rapidly growing. Every business and organisation, regardless of size or type, is expected to comply with comprehensive regulations that reduce the risk for their employees. But it's not only employees who benefit. Many businesses have discovered that there are more advantages than disadvantages in being strongly compliant. This includes increased productivity, more contracts and work won, and reduced costs. An effective system can achieve all these benefits and more, but only if it recognises that each business is unique and requires unique solutions. A few short years ago, that would have required many thousands of dollars in consulting and internal management. Today's technology has allowed online OHS to provide unique solutions. Solutions tailor-made for business that are simple, effective, practical and affordable. The highly flexible system can be simply customised to meet the specific needs of any business, organisation or industry. It's handed over in a ready-to-use format that's hassle-free. Unique information is obtained through a simple online starter kit. Automatic reminders notify you when your business needs to take action. Easy-to-use contract verification registers ensure that all contractors are verified before they start work. Reports show where, why and how accidents were caused. The information is stored in a form to allow analysis to support remedial action and to meet legal and insurance requirements. Remote access allows you to obtain up-to-the-minute OHS system information wherever an internet connection is available. And environmental plans can also be developed through a few simple steps. 6 easy-to-use modules simplify the achievement of high standards of OHS compliance and workplace safety. Unlike most competitors, online OHS is flexible enough to provide prices that match your organisation's size, therefore making the program relevant and extremely affordable. Online OHS can also provide general consulting and development of safe work practices and advice for all your OHS compliance obligations.
I just recommend this system to any business because it's so broad and it's user-friendly, it's very cheap, it's a system that everybody can afford, and I know a lot of these systems are very dear, but this is one you can afford, and it would make sure that you complied with all government rules as well. And we're more than happy with it, and I'd like to recommend it to all businesses. I'm sure your business will only improve by using it.